Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty by Brittany U. Your favorite girl is back. So today I did a tutorial on how I achieve this long braid whiplash, you know what I'm saying? So it's super cute, super long. Yeah, so I was inspired by somebody here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. But yeah, I really wanted to do something different because I just took down my braids, so I wanted to let my hair breathe a little bit instead of like going back on and putting like some tension on it, even though this is tension, but I didn't want to like braid it up again. So yeah, this is the look. So yeah, this is the hairstyle. I did it to my best abilities. It was a little bit difficult, a little challenging, not even gonna lie. Like, it's kind of messing up right now anyway, but I don't really care that much. I'm messing around with it. But yeah, this is the look. This is a little bit different. I'm like completely so like not that cute. Someone's calling me. So yeah, this is different for me. No, I don't even like the earrings. I'm gonna go change them. I don't know, I really care. I'm running late. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. This is definitely different. I'm showing y'all in my natural hair state. Like, baby girl, who are you? I used Style Factor Edge Booster. Both containers are done. They are both done. So I'm just gonna go get some more, but this shit is the bomb.com. My hair is laid pretty much so, and then I'm gonna be using some macadamia oil that you get from your beauty supply store because I'm seeing some white stuff. But other than that, I am impressed. And I'm obsessed, and I'm never doing my hair on another like style again. Okay? Stay tuned. Don't forget to keep on watching. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. I love you all. Bye. Alright guys, coming at y'all real natural, real blow dried out, real Afrocentric, real 4B, 4C. Really, we're like 4C guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections. I'm using a bristle brush to slick down my hair. Of course, I've already applied my Style Factor Edge Control in the scent Strawberry. I love this smell. But anyway, you just want to make sure you keep using the bristle brush, the hardest part too, to brush down your waves to give you that sleek look. Sectioning your hair off. Wow, my hair can't even fit the frame. Alright, but this is how long my hair is. I need it to be longer. Sectioning off your hair is super important whenever you're doing a slick back ponytail like I am, because my hair is thick and it's very coarse, and to get it as flat as possible you do have to section your hair sometimes into even 8 sections. So anyway, I'm just using this scrunchie from Walmart to section off my hair like I said, and I'm just making twists to keep my hair stretched out and long as possible so it doesn't revert back to its curly stage. Once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and finish up the other side with the edge control, and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing next. But I love this hair. Well, I love my hair, and I love how the edge control is working with my hair. It's superb. Totally obsessed using Style Booster as my, what is it, edge control to sleek up my hair. This shit is bomb. I didn't know. I mean, I did know because I had those braids in, and that's what I used for my sleeked look, my sleeked edges. All right, look at that. That is sexy. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the bottom one too. So that's my ponytail. I'll be using Expression Hair. I hope it's pretty long. I don't know, I can't tell. So once I figure everything out, I'll come back and show y'all how I'm going to attempt to braid this. I'm kind of making like a ponytail holder. So the do-rag is optional, but I love it because it keeps my hair slicked down while I'm preparing the fake ponytail, and I just love it. Look at it. Look at all that sheen that's retained. I just love it. So next, this is what I'm showing you guys. This is a mistake that I made that I don't want you guys to make. I don't want you to put the fake ponytail on your real hair if it's not in a bun. So this is a no-no. Make sure you keep your hair in a bun, and I will show you guys that I switched my hair back into a bun because it's super hard to braid wet hair with synthetic braiding hair. So just make sure it's in a bun and then proceed to tie your ponytail, your braided ponytail with it. And the key before you even braid the ponytail is to detangle it. So make sure you detangle the braid. We use a wide tooth comb and just brush out the hair because it's easier to braid when you do it this way. So make sure you detangle the hair that you're using. We're gonna try this again. We're gonna put it in my ponytail. We're gonna put it at the base of my pony. This is a lot of work. Just leave out some hair like this, okay? This is the one you're gonna leave. And then try to split this shit up. Oh God, this is take 2. So anyway, so part your hair in 3 sections. I mean, I get it. I get why people use this hair because it's cheap, it's long. Nobody wants to pay 30 bundles that are 30 inches long. That's just whatever. Ooh, Lord, child. Anyway. So I definitely know that there are a lot of moving parts to this clip, but just bear with me. Just watch the video over a couple times if you need. But yeah, this is just what you have to do if you're a natural. You have to slick down your hair. You gotta pretend like you flat ironed your hair, honey, because if not, you're really just gonna have to go get your hair silk pressed and then have someone do this for you. But this is just a DIY method. If you want to try this at home, go ahead. It definitely does take time. I would say about an hour. It took about an hour to detangle my hair, to put the edge control on it, to sleek it back down, and then put the fake ponytail on. The fake ponytail is probably like the most crucial part because of the tangling that it does have. But other than that, the end result is super pretty. And yeah, guys, I'm just trying to talk you through it. You know, we almost done. We're almost there. Thank you for holding in. Like, we're almost to the end of this ponytail, honey. Like, the braiding process is steep, honey, but we're almost done. We're almost done. That's the good news. Look, happy face. We're getting there. And then I'm gonna be putting some jewels to my hair. It's like the same kind of jewels that you get whenever you have braids on. It's just clips because I didn't have anything else on hand. So yeah, I really wanted those to be a part of the hair, part of the look. And I hope you guys like it because I really, really do like it. And this hairstyle lasted me for about a week. The only thing about the edge control is that it does leave white marks. I really don't know why, but I just used oil to combat that. Now you see me about to wrap the hair with that, wrap the base of the braid with the one piece that's left. It looks kind of janky right now, but I don't know, guys. I finessed it towards the end, but I finessed it. That's all I had to tell you. Just finesse it. Just finesse the ponytail wrapping at the base, and you'll do that. And then I use bobby pins to secure it, and then I also use Got2b freeze spray to also secure it, and that actually held up. And don't be afraid to go ahead and use more Got2b freeze spray if you need to. And always you want to also look back at the base of your hair using another mirror to look at the back of your hair, making sure everything is looking okay and not crazy. How it's looking like on the back. If anything, I'll just grab more hair and cover the base. But yeah, I'm not too mad at it. We're gonna rock with it. So I'm gonna take some Got2b holding gel, holding spree spray. Hold the bottom of it. I'm trying to secure the hair, baby. So let's see if I've secured it enough. After using about 1 liter of Got2b, I'm just making sure that the ponytail is secured. I'm tightening the hair that's around the base of my hair and using bobby pins to secure it, making sure it's seamless. Yeah, you know how like my real hair was in a ball? So that's where that bobby pin went. These look like CCs. These are really cute. Finally, we are at the fun part. That's putting the jewels in the braid, making sure the hair is unique and stands out. Yes, Lord, we've made it. Let's clap our hands, honey. We are at the end. Like I said, it's a fun look. It took some time, but if you don't want to pay the money to, I would suggest you do it at home by yourself. That's cute. I would put more, but it's time to beat this face because your girl's going out on a late brunch. But I'll be back soon. And I'll show you how my makeup looks. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time.